We take this time to honor today's four-state hero, Sergeant Scott Stewart, who served in the United States Army from 1985 to 1993. His hometown, Independence, Kansas. We are proud to salute Scott Stewart, our four-state hero.
We're going to kick it all off with Easton Rutherford, who's celebrating the big number 5. Easton, you got to forgive me, man. My eyesight's not great. You guys can laugh at me because I'm even wearing glasses. We got preschool graduate on our hands right there. That is awesome. I love the cap and gown and the whole nine, man. You looking good. Happy big 5th birthday to you, Mr. Easton, and congratulations too, buddy.
All right, we're gonna head out to celebrate a 6-year birthday for the Da Silva twins in Baxter Springs. We've got Timberly and Willow, both turning 6 years old this year. Happy birthday, girls.
Now, they look absolutely adorable, but I'm telling you what, they also, too, look like they got a gleam of trouble in their eyes right there.
Double the trouble.
Right. I think the Da Silva family probably has its hands just a tad bit full.
That's a really
Keely Good is now a teenager. Yeah, flex it, Keely. Now, get this. She attends Galesburg Middle School and is a member of the Pittsburgh Purple Crush softball team. Let me tell you something. That team can hit just a little bit, with Keely being one of them. Hey, mom and dad tell you to keep working hard and give you a happy birthday. And a happy birthday from me as well, Keely and Parsons.
All right. And Evan Safuda in Frontenac, celebrating birthday number 15 this year. Hope it's a great one, Evan.
Happy birthday, my man. Hazel Ruth Woolman is turning 18. Hazel, a very happy birthday from the entire family. She's celebrating in Oswego.
Carrie LaRue celebrating birthday number 57 this year. That's her on the right.
I cannot believe you just did that. I cannot believe you just did that.
Carrie is in Chanute, next to a pretty cool mascot, though.
It is not Casey Wolf's birthday.
No. When is Casey Wolf's birthday?
That is Carrie's birthday. We're celebrating.
Every Sunday in the fall.
Hey, out at Prairie Mission Retirement Village in out by St. Paul. Speaking of big Chiefs fans, look at what Mary McCune has in front of her. That is absolutely tremendous. Now, I am told that she is a huge Patrick Mahomes fan. So, Mary, I want you to sit back, have a wonderful birthday, get ready for some training camp activity here. We get Patrick back on the field, and you will be ready for football season in no time.
All right, and we have Miss Mary oh, you just had her, yeah. We have Miss Karen Johnson, yes. Karen is celebrating in Columbus.
In Chanute, we have a very happy birthday wish for Betty Bailey. Betty, have a marvelous, marvelous day.
And celebrating 4 years of wedded bliss, Robert and Crystal Ostrich. What a lovely picture of them. Robert and Crystal, happy anniversary.
Keith Romick with a birthday. Mr. Keith is in Columbus. And Tammy Graham, a happy birthday to Tammy in Stark, Kansas. We'll finish it off with a big 84th birthday for Kent Scott. Kent, happy birthday in Girard. Happy birthday, happy anniversary to all. I think I said this yesterday, but weather's been like a broken record, so I've probably been a broken record. I cannot believe it is already the 20th of May. Here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
All right, you can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up, and you'll get special deals from local businesses when you do. Go to KOAMnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.
Well, I can't slow down time, so we're stuck with it being May the 20th for the time being. And those of you celebrating a birthday and anniversary, I know you don't want to slow it down either. Get out and enjoy it a little bit. Just make sure you got your umbrellas. We're now seeing the rain track into the central portion of southeast Kansas. Dr. Gilmore checking in, saying they got 2.8 inches of rain in Parsons alone overnight, and now starting to pick up right there along Highway 400. Also making its way toward I-44. We're not looking at the pockets of heavy rain like what we had yesterday, but it is showers nonetheless. They're going to filter in from the south once again. Flood watches for Allen, Neosho, Labette counties throughout southeast Kansas. Also, too, the Neosho River in a flood warning. Here's what we'll be looking at for northeast Oklahoma and southwest Missouri the entire morning. Really not going to pick up till later for the central and northern portion of the 4 states, but if you're down south, you're just kind of stuck with it all day long. Temperatures in the mid-70s, finally getting a break tomorrow afternoon. We'll be back and wrap up this edition of the KOAM Morning News right after this.